What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So according to the latest report, Samsung is going to launch its next Galaxy Note 20 line with crazy features. Seriously, if this is going to happen, then this is a madness. According to available data, Samsung Galaxy Note 22 line will receive unique features regarding its camera technology. This is not about punch-hole camera. This is not about under-display camera technology. This is something new that you have never seen before. And today, we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. According to the latest report, Samsung Galaxy Note 22 unique feature named New S Pen Stylus with Illuminate Front Selfie Camera. Samsung plans to add a wireless camera module to the S Pen that can perform various functions. Various sources confirm that Samsung is gearing up to launch new Galaxy Note series phone in 2022. The main highlight of the Galaxy Note 22 series should be the newly modified S Pen. And a new Samsung patent shows what this accessory has to offer. Samsung Electronics recently received a patent for handheld terminals including removable cameras. The patent reveals that Samsung plans to add a wireless camera module to the S Pen that can perform various functions. For example, this stylus will allow you to abandon the front camera and not add it under the surface of the screen. If necessary, the stylus will slide slightly out of the body for selfies and video calls. Of course, you can fully take out the stylus and use it as a wireless camera. In addition, the new S Pen may include a clip that allows you to attach it to the clothing or other objects, again opening up new possibilities for its use. The patent confirms that the S Pen camera will communicate with a mobile phone via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or NFC. Of course, the device will retain all the functions of the S Pen. That is, it can be used as a remote control for the main camera and will receive support for air gestures. Previously, a well-known insider under the nickname Ice Universe said Samsung has already begun work on the successor to the Galaxy Note 20 smartphone, which was released more than a year ago. On the other hand, Ice Universe has predicted the announcement of the 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP1, 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN5, and other image sensors from the South Korean company, and regularly reports accurately from Samsung's R&D department. All of his leaks on the Samsung Galaxy S21 have been confirmed. Other phone specifications, features, price and exact launch date of the smartphones are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.